In this video, we're going to talk about the still point. I'd like you to imagine that there is an imaginary wall between Andy and myself, and we are going to move our bodies away from each other and towards each other. Ready, here we go, and rock, step, ready, go, rock, step, ready, go, rock, step. So let's focus on the still point, but at the same time, think about your arm swinging and your rock step. Ready, here we go, and rock step, ready, go, rock step, ready, go, rock step. So now we're going to come closer to the camera so you can see our hands a bit clearly. We can't see our faces now, but hey ho, you can see our hands. So see, I want you to observe that our hands don't move back and forth. Here's a negative example. Yep, so try not to move your hands around. So see if you can keep your hands still. Ready, go. Rock, step, ready, go. Rock, step. Our bodies go back, forwards, go back, forwards, go back, forwards. So we'll keep rock stepping, and gradually we're going to move away from the camera, but our hands will still stay in the still point. Ready, go. Rock, step, ready, go. Rock, step, ready, go. Rock, step. Ready, go, rock, step, ready, go, rock, step, ready, go, rock, step. So, the other thing about rock step, while I'm thinking about rock steps, is I like you to use your hips. So it's not just marching on the spot, in fact, it's not marching on the spot at all. I go back with my hips. So let's see if we can do a bit of the hip movement, and then we'll gradually move closer to you. Ready, here we go, and rock, step, ready, go, rock, step, move your hips, rock, step, move your hips, rock, step, ready, go. You can't see our feet, never mind, see our hips this time. Hips, move around, go back, forwards, move back, forwards. Now we're going to move away from you gradually. Rock, step, ready, go, rock, step, ready, go, rock, step, ready, go, and rock, step. See you in the next video.